Sordello, and that you, Lord Bertrand, that you let my harm be done. By the count, and never made semblance, not one. If I took shame or harm, that it grieved you, you should have kept him from such failing stain, and me from hurt, for I serve true and plain. From me you have, and from the count he'll gain. For not. Trust in you, I say it plain, Sordello and Bertrand. Nor I, who serve without deceiving's bane, for never by my harm were you made rule, and he who would a Lord serve true and plain. Or foolish brain, for all will be by you, others praised again. I take my leave now of you too.